What the inspiration behind this pattern?
Well, the inspiration I just love, you know.
What did that go through your mind when you decided to leave the nipple outside?
Romance, you know. So that means I add it to it and anybody buy it, them just turn on. Because when it turn me on, it must turn them on.
So people, would you love to hang this portrait, this picture in your office? Men, would your wives allow you to hang this picture in the office? Take a closer look. Cadneal Patton, 75-year-old, self-taught artist, Jamaica. And if you want this, link up and we can make it reach you.
Right, then about the rum cream.
Rum cream, they just sit here, man. It's a vibe to the man. Rum cream, bro, so you know what going on. People don't see the rum cream, you know. You look on that picture and you just know, say, I think I'm going to go on.